So most of you have commented yesterday that we know how to post on LinkedIn. Can you make a short demo tutorial how we have to post on Twitter for the GFG 60 days POTD challenge? As we know that you have updated us that the deadline is extended. Yes, you heard it right. The deadline has been extended till 27th of February. Means you can take part in this event. If you want to know more, I have attached the link in the description. Make sure to watch it. And now let me just show you without doing any further delay how we have to complete and post the problem. So this is the main page. I will attach the link in the description and video also. Now from here you have to simply click on this link. Now here you can see, as you know, that we have to solve a problem daily. So you can see this is the problem, that is find h index. So you have to click on solve problem, and most of you are asking how we'll be getting the solution if you don't know, means how we can get the guide. For that I have attached a Telegram group. You can check it out, and here you can see if you want to solve it yourself, you can read the questions and just try and compile and run, and after that you have to simply submit it. Let me give you a rough demo. So from the Telegram group, which I have attached in the description group, you have to just check out the code. So from my Telegram group you have to find the code. Okay, then just simply select entire content and just paste it. Now here just remove this comment like this. Now simply click on compile and run. I hope you are knowing. After that I'll show you the next step. So once it is completed, you are seeing that we are not getting any error over here. You have to simply click on submit button. Now after that you have to simply take the screenshot of this page. You can just use print screen or just use the sniping tool also. Now take the complete screenshot of this page. Now simply what you can do, just download it and just create a folder. As I have updated in multiple videos, just create a folder if you're starting from today, or if you have posted earlier also, make a record, means just keep a folder where all the screenshots are mentioned. You can simply name it also. For example, I am in day 7. If you are in day 1, you can write day 1 and simply save it, because as per the rule they may ask for the screenshot. So maybe they will ask you to upload and share a public link of your drive. So better save it, and in case you haven't saved it, you can just navigate and just take the screenshot. Now coming over here, how we have to post on the Twitter, that is X. So simply you have to create a Twitter account, and if you are having old account, you can simply sign in over here, click on this. Now you have to prepare a template post. Okay, so for the post you can just take help from the ChatGPT and generate from AI also, or you can just write it yourself. So like this, you can, if you want, you can mention day also. If you don't mention day, that does not matter at all. Just write about the problem, what you are solving, you are learning. Just add a quote over here and simply just paste over here like this. Okay, now here we have to add the hashtags. So in Twitter, if you are not a premium user, they have some word limit. So let me see. First of all, let's add the hashtag. So here we are, and we have to add these two hashtags. Okay, post text is not that much important. The main thing is that you have to tag them and add the hashtags over here. So if I just come over here, add the hashtags. So yes, so in that case you need to remove the extra text if you are getting this red line. Now again, just add another hashtag, that is NPCI. Wait a second. So remove this dot, and now you have to simply tag them. I think I added extra hash. Okay, now you have to tag them. So you can simply tag them by geeks for geeks. This one and NPCI. This one. So we have tagged both of them. Okay, we have tagged both of them. And like this you have to do. If you are facing issue in finding their username, means their profiles, you can just take help from here. Now here we have to attach the image over here, which we just now take the screenshot. So simply click on this button and just browse the image. So like this, you need to simply just browse it and just select a day. If you're starting day 1, you can select day 1, and if you have just saved the day 7, you need to just upload the day 7 image. So it's finally done. All things are correct. Cross verify and simply click on post. and this step you have to repeat if you're starting from today till 60th day. Okay, and here is some important catch. Wait for the post to get posted. I think it's taking some time, so let's discuss the rules. You have to post till 60 days, and here on Twitter, if you are just posting on Twitter, you have to post up to 59 day, and on the last day, that is 60 day, they have mentioned compulsory that you have to write a post on LinkedIn. So if you're starting from LinkedIn only, you can continue on LinkedIn only, and if you want to just start from Twitter, means that is X, then you can just continue on Twitter only. Okay, but the 60th post means up to 59 days starting from today. If you're starting today, or if you started earlier, up to 59 days you have to write on any of the one platform like on LinkedIn or Twitter. But on the 60 day you have to write a post with the same hashtag, and here you have to just explain that how this challenge help you, means how it help you to learn more skills, stay consistent. Like this you have to post on LinkedIn. So this is a quick important thing. Now how to post on LinkedIn? You have to simply come to the LinkedIn profile and simply just post it. How to post it? This is a sample post. Here you have to click on start post, and again repeat the same process. You have to simply upload the image, that is day 7, and let me add the same text over here. Next, and after that we have to add these hashtags, and let's add the hashtags also, and we have to tag at last also. So these hashtags are compulsory. Some of you are commenting that I haven't added the hashtags, right? So in that case, what you need to do, you need to just edit the post, because the posts are made earlier only. Okay, so now we have to tag them geeks for geeks. Yes, this one we have to select, and NPCI, this one we have to select. So all things are correct. Image is also added. Now simply click on post over here. Okay, so like this you have to post for 60 days. If you're following LinkedIn, you have to post for 60 days, and if you're following on Twitter, okay, you have to post on LinkedIn on the 60 day.